Don't think he knows what he's doing here. A bit different. Keep spraying everyone. Just sprayed and spun around at the same time. And the seagulls sort of the main of the video. Your left indicator is on. Does he know his indicator's on? So we have 19658 W860 FHP with our left indicator still on it. Oh. Just who's have his indicator on. Tries to keep up with it quite a lot. We need to indicate. There we go. Trying for something a little different. Yes, that. And that.
Oh, that's where I was thinking of going today.
And the seagull, why not? Is it going on real close? Yes, it is. Oh no, seagull! What's over? The seagull's more focused on food than anything right now. Oh!
We have a sick day, you should at least be skiving, and if it's worth it. I was well irritated. Really?
No.
So they've done this straight away.
Oh, don't start this. They just too slow.
There you go. Oh, Fluffy don't get his paws put in the
Really don't like this. There we go. I've lost them. Perfect. Come on, seagull, fly over. No. Oh, as I said that. Some rainy birds today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the video. Oh. There's seagulls love this about me. Seems to be like a million seagulls here. Jeez, seagulls! Stop trying to fight each other, please. Stop being so rough, man. These seagulls need to stop being so rough and powerful. Got a few boats out today actually. And quite a few birds. And a letting everyone go into focus. The phone seems to be really good at focusing when it wants to. What the? What the? Okay. Alright, the focus just went on my phone. There we go. Let's watch there. 1 minute. I've only just realised that's a train spot. I need a train spot in here, so there's boat spotting. I'm guessing boats and birds will be my main theme for this video. Oh, hello. There's a plane. It's white. It's quite low as well.
Oh yeah.
It's circling round. Oh.
It's supposed to sing the exit shot.
Oh really?
It literally just loops round. Oh, it's steering. Focus. Good pose.
I know somebody's got one like that. They've got triplets here. Really?
Oh, the seagull's diving right towards us. It literally felt really close to us then. I know there's a load of boats. How many boats? Four following. What? And there's one over there. I'll get forward. Easy. Protest there. Let's get this one because they're over all different boats now. Perfect. What? There's a fifth. There's a fifth and a sixth boat now.
Oh, you need to start something on.
I will do in a second.
You got me with you? I thought he's got your school bag. You might have had a 3-minute thing. Thing is, he's like,
There's 2 more boats about to cross over.
As well as with the shot. So the bloke sitting on the walker. He's got a hat on. I'm sure he's got the shot.
We're about to go over. Oh. Okay, these crows don't live here, but sure. Focus on
I say, hope he got attacked by a seagull one day. Not hope, sorry.
That seems to be look. Let's test on this bad. How much better? I need to reset my camera in a minute. No, you'll just tell. I can most certainly tell. This camera's got something wrong here. Is this better? Or is this better? There we go.
But yeah, I said, hope that
We've got
Yeah, I told her she fell off it.
Josh kept throwing
this is lovely. Why are there so many seagulls just circling the beach now? The seagull just came out like this in front of me pretty much. I'm just turning around him. There's pigeons here. And there's another seagull randomly just. Oh.
Oh, Becky. I said, I don't like. And I said, oh, she's nothing like.
I lost it then. I remember 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 10 boats all at once here. 10 boats here all at once. That's more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 boats that are currently moving. Here's one of them. A rather long trip this one will be. So I'll be doing this. So I'll film these two for a while.
So they done some blood tests and then they done an X-ray. We actually come back and got all those things. So I said, well, I was writing these, so that's why I can't wear rings. Because yeah. So I said, if it comes to the
Yeah, so it's the low backs here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What more? I can't mean. And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, there's at least 10 in this clip. As you've already seen, there's one of them's already gone to. There's a rather long clip. What is this song? Is that 2 IECs or is it double? Can't quite tell whether that's a double or 2 IETs. I think it's a double. That's leg on no matter what.
Friday, yeah.
Hello. Yeah, you decided to poo on me, didn't you?
And then it ends in April.
You decided to poo on me. Look, or wee on me and then poo on the floor.
Focus on you.
That's what I felt.
Shredded.
There's a train over there now. Trains as well over there.
There's always a train over there, Tyler.
Yeah. Right, and there was a train from Exmouth as well go over there. We literally get boats, planes, trains and birds here. Although we've got good things on the 57, I'll see them later. So I don't really care right now. Hang on a minute, I even see 95 there. Perfect. I've literally got everything. Oh! Seagull thought about it. Oh, lovely. Whoa. That's a speedy boat. A lot of transport around today. Yeah, it's mainly going to be a boat and bird themed video today, mainly boats probably, so, well, as I've already told you, just enjoy the video.
Yes.
I'm making an intro specified for this video. 19658 again.
Family, no. Steve's right. And Steve's not a boat before. Anyway, on that boat we've been out.
Can't tell, I think that is a WA60 FHP, I'll be able to find now. I think that is 19658 again. Oh, seagull, why not?
And so
It's 19658 again, WA60 FHP. Anyway, today we've got YN63 BXC 15930. Also got 15665 on the 57, 10456 on the 57. Oh yeah, YN63 BXC is on the 57. Also got 15259, 19321 on the 99. Then we've got 15892. I've got 7456, 15892, 15665. I can't remember now. So we've got 15665, 15892, 10456. I forgot it. Right, 15665, 10456. We've got 15930, 15892, and 15325. On 57. And obviously, as I said, we've got. So basically, every bus is good today in Exmouth, so look forward to seeing them all. Seagulls everywhere.